Hey guys, welcome back. It's Meka from Yes Please Planning. I have a two-part video for you today. In the first part, I'm going to show you last month's unboxing of my Erin Condren Deluxe monthly planner and the accessories that came along with it in the review box that was very generously given to me from Samantha Kerr and the ErinCondren.com team so that I could review it and share it with all of you. For the second part of the video, I'm going to show you how I've been using this planner for the last month or so, what worked for me, what didn't work, and how I plan to use it going forward. So let's go to the first part and take a look at what I got in the happy mailbox from ErinCondren.com.
It's so happy. Let's see what we got. Some dual tip markers. They look like highlighters. I guess they're neon. Broad tip and something that looks close to a fine point tip there. Two more markers. Oh, these are wet erase markers. Ooh, I saw these on the website when we used to make our flashcards. But these are printed with an Erin Condren design on them. On the website I saw where you can actually get these personalized. So this would be a really fun gift, like, you know, for a kid to get their name on there. And then you could actually use those wet erase markers on here. Oh, how nifty. They're calligraphy script stencils. Oh, cute. These are puffy stickers and they're foiled. Ooh, a patch. Love to plan. How cute. So it is adhesive on the back too. And ooh, more patches. Cute with the Erin Condren asterisk on there. So I have seen them being applied to the Erin Condren covers. I'm not sure if I would be brave enough to do that. I have to see. I have to think about how I want to use those. Some foiled stickers here. So this is personalized planning notepad. Is it personalized? Okay, I guess maybe if it were personalized, it would have my name up here. I have some other notepads that are personalized and I really love them. The quality of the paper is really thick and you can get free personalizing. So let's see what. Oh, stylish storage box. So you can put all your nifty stickers and stuff in here. Got the dividers there. That's kind of perfect. I love that. And that way, if you have a bunch of Erin Condren stickers, or just, you know, whatever that you're going to use just for your EC, that's a perfect way to keep everything organized. How exciting! Ooh, what's this? A lunch tote. It's nice and insulated. Ooh, it's Velcro. It's just something nice and simple. Cute. And then I love this pattern. This is my deluxe monthly. Oh. All the covers for Erin Condren spirals are laminated, but this you can use your wet erase on. The year at a glance. Is it rose gold? I just noticed it's rose gold. I have not owned any rose gold spirals before. Some year forward planning note page. So each month you get your full month and then you have like 5 or 6 blank pages to jot down your stuff. Got holidays in here. And then your regular notes and next month, little mini next month. So this one started in July, is that right? Yeah, July 2018, and then it goes through June 2019. And then, let's see what's here. So this is 2020. Wow, that's some real forward planning. That is not my lifestyle. I don't plan that far ahead, but it's nice to have. You never know. And then, ooh, tons of note-taking pages. This is awesome. The only thing I wish is that they made it in like an even smaller size. I wish that I could have a monthly in this size. It's portable. It's not so small that I can't write in it, but it's not so big that I can't carry it with me. And this I would very seldom carry with me. So hey guys, from the Erin Condren team, if you're listening, I would love a mini monthly deluxe. And I would even be okay if it was hardbound. But a mini spiral from Erin Condren would be kind of nifty. Oh, I didn't see the back. Oh, there's stickers. There's always stickers in Erin Condren spirals. They're just basic for your appointments or dates or whatever is going on. And that's it. And then the little pocket to put some goodies in. And another little pocket here. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Planner unboxing. I will show you what I do with it very soon.
Now we're here 5 or 6 weeks later, and I want to show you some of the ways that I've been using everything. So this lunch tote turned out to be pretty awesome. It's really sturdy. Like, it's really well made, and it holds a lot. So since I work from home, I eat lunch at home usually. I haven't needed to take it out with me for food, but I have been using it as a planner tote, and it's awesome. It fits the Erin Condren, and I have my day designer in here. I have this file box as well. This is great. I haven't used it again for food, but it's pretty well insulated, so I'm sure that it will keep your drink cold as well. For this file box, I have been using it as just like a pencil box. It's nice and sturdy for that purpose. And I wanted to show you how I've been using this weekly planner pad. So essentially, I've been using this as a meal planning sheet. And so what I did was I changed the days of the week for the time that I was starting with this meal plan. I did an inventory of what I had left over in my refrigerator. Using this information, I wrote out some meals that I could use these things as a starting point for, and then I wrote out a list of things to buy to kind of complete the meals. But anyway, I thought this was a good thing to use to kind of take with me to the grocery store, to tape into my planner, or to just keep on the refrigerator or whatever. So here's how I've been using my Deluxe Monthly Planner. After gathering a bunch of different ideas, I decided to make this into a wellness planner. So I brainstormed and looked on Instagram, asked people, watched videos for what I could include in a wellness planner. I didn't end up using these planning pages, at least not yet. I jumped straight into the monthly overview. I was doing a 10-day exercise challenge. On the whiteboard page, jotted down some ideas. I was having a chat with my friend about, healthy things, and she gave me some meal ideas, so I just jotted those down. I did how my mood was at the time. I marked down some things that I did for exercise and just what was going on with me. So that, it was okay to kind of jot down some highlights. But in terms of actually really tracking my food, my mood, my exercise, overall health, I need something a lot more structured. Something that I can do it on a weekly basis for those weeks that I do want to get detailed. And, I thought, okay, well, I could use these very, free pages here to draw that out. But I've already been doing the bullet journal, and I really just wasn't in the mood to draw out more structure. So that is something to consider. Like, do you necessarily want to do all of the drawing out and everything? So that was July. for August, I was kind of over the decoration, and so I put a couple of things in here, but still it just, you know, I can't put all the food that I'm eating and the exercise, and it doesn't work for me for that purpose. But I have been using it for just note-taking. I did a couple of days where I kind of drew out some layouts, and I actually really like this idea of just using it as a monthly and daily planner. As a daily planner right now, I use a day designer. I don't necessarily use it every single day, so there are some days that go blank. And then there are some days where I really want to write out a lot of stuff. So having something like this would actually be beneficial. I could just write down the days that I'm using it, fine. The other days I don't have to worry about wasting paper. This paper is really good quality. It's nice and thick, so I don't have to worry about it bleeding through. There's hardly any ghosting. Sometimes, you know, I want to play with markers, or this is watercolor paint, and I think that I might, if I don't end up with another day designer next year, I might end up using this as a daily planner come January. But for September, November, and December, I think I want to use it as a creative journal. And so basically, like, here's an example of my 2016 Erin Condren, and I did some doodling challenges. In fact, I hosted a doodle challenge for a few months, so I can use the days to do like my final doodle. I can use these line pages for lettering. I can use all these extra pages here for practice. So this will be the last bit of using it as a wellness planner, but I do still plan on playing around with this planner. So that is all that I have for you for the monthly deluxe planner. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. If you have any questions, please do ask me in the comments below. If you found this video useful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you just want to give me some encouragement, give me a thumbs up. And I will catch you on Instagram at Yes Please Planning. Bye bye.